The question is whether Vaishnav should eat onion garlic or not. Why do the Vaishnavas, or rather, let me put it properly, why do Vaishnavas not eat onion garlic? Well, the thing is the onion garlic must has it is in the passion and the ignorance mode. So that is the first reason. The second reason being that um, it doesn't have any taste. So for the sake of taste, one must not eat the onion garlic, but it has some medicinal properties for sure, and they are very helpful in boosting the immunity for those people who are weak in immunity and nothing works for them, so no medicine works for them, and for that this onion garlic is a remedy. So onion garlic, so Prabhupada, or founder Acharya of ISKCON, says that it doesn't matter whether you are a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian. All that matters is whether you eat vegetarian food, vegetables, fruits, or you are a meat eater. All that matters is you are offering it to the Lord before eating or not. So that is what Prabhupada sees. But on the scientific basis, we can understand that any food that induces lethargy or laziness must be given up, and that is why the some people who practice Vaishnavism do not eat onion garlic. But then again, whether they are left laziness and lethargy, that is another question after not eating onion garlic. So there are mixed opinions, but the best answer to it is you eat vegetarian, you're a vegetarian or a non vegetarian, you must offer the food to Krishna before consuming, and that's it. And because we cannot offer anything which Krishna does not like, then we will not take it. But still, if you have to eat onion out of need for medical reasons, boosting your immunity, or in an area where there is no proper vegetarian food available at all, then you can ask the Lord for forgiveness and take it only as much as it is necessary for your body. Hari Bol. Thank you very much.